Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn assembly constraints. Assembly constraints defines relations between components in the assembly. You can activate assembly constraints command by select assembly constraint command from menu, assemblies, component position and assembly constraint. Otherwise you can click on assembly tab and from there assembly constraints. Okay. You can freely move or rotate object on the screen when the assembly constraints command activated due to its constraints. To move component, activate assembly constraints command, then press and hold the left mouse button on the component, then drag the mouse on the screen. To rotate component, activate assembly constraint command, then press and hold Alt on the keyboard, then press and hold the left mouse button on the component and drag mouse on the screen. Assembly constraints, types of assembly constraint. You can select constraint type also. You can deactivate constraints from enabled constraint tab in settings. Touch align. Planar or straight surfaces, edges, planes, center lines, touch or align. Concentric. Constraint components through circular edges. Distance specifies the distance between component surfaces or edges. Fixed constraint type fixes component on its current position. Parallel constraint defines parallel surfaces, edges, planes, etc. between components. Perpendicular constraint defines perpendicularity between surfaces, edges, planes between components. Align or lock constraint same as concentric, but components can't rotate around defined constraint. Fit constraint constraint cylindrical surfaces that have the same radius. Bond defines bond between selected components. Bonded components move together in assembly. Center centers component through selected objects, surfaces, planes, axes, edges. Angle defines the angle between components, surfaces, edges, etc. Geometry to constraint. It is used to define constraint objects. It will be active after the command started. Options changes due to the selected constraint type. You can change the direction of the constraint by clicking the icon near the reverse last constraint. Here in assemblies tab, assembly constraint is here. By clicking here you will get this window. From here you can add the constraints to your assembly. We will see this in our software. For this I will open a part from add. Here I will browse a part. This base I will open, select object. I will rotate this. Then OK. I will fix this. Then again I will add a component. This cap here. Okay. From here you can activate the assembly constraint. I will click on assembly constraints and touch align. Select this face and this face. Again concentric. This circle to this circle. Here you can see the assembly. Okay, this is how you can add other parts to this assembly like this. I will add one more part. This bolt. rotate this. Click OK. Go to assembly constraint. First concentric this with this. Again touch align this face with this face. Okay, thank you.